Hello guys. Hi, Gaza, Vivek, Hari, Pooja, Rohan, Sara, Satyam, Varun. So, welcome to the new link. Rohan has also joined us. Yeah, welcome, Rohan. Yeah, Vivek, tell me, you have raised your hand. So, yes, introduce yourself. Vivek is the new joining. Vivek was not able to join in the last session. So, Vivek, you can introduce yourself very briefly. So from where you are joining the session, what you are doing currently, like Vivek from this place and have done this education. Vivek is from Punjab. Nice, welcome Vivek. Nice. And rest we have already introduced ourselves. And Vivek is pursuing MBA from LPU, lovely professional universities. Nice, thank you Vivek. Okay, I hope everyone has joined so far. Or I can see that more than 10 people have already joined it. So, Depinder, Vivek, Hari, Pooja, Ritika, Rohan, Sara, Satyam, Saurabh, and Varun. Okay, nice. All of you, welcome again. And now we are going to start very briefly. Like whatever we have done so far, I'm going to revise it briefly and then we will proceed further. So that briefly we were discussing about that it's a hardcore marketing session. You have joined the marketing lesson. It's a like you are going to learn marketing. So it's basically a marketing session, but your medium will be different. Your medium will be the digital medium. So you have given me lot of example of the digital devices like tablet, phablet, mobile, desktop, laptop. These are the digital devices. You are going to do the marketing activities as you have given me so much example of marketing activities, like you can do advertisement, you can do promotions, you can do branding, you can do awareness, you can do considerations, you can do lead generations, you can do sales, you can do customer care. These are the marketing activities. So basically in digital marketing, if you are doing any marketing activities on the digital devices using internet technology, so internet technology, if your device is not connected with the internet, you can't reach your customer. If you want to reach your customers, you must be connected. Your customer's digital device must be connected with the internet. Then only you can reach to that customer. And in marketing, the end goal is you want to reach the customer. You want to make your customer aware about your product and services. You want your customer that your customer should recognize you as a brand or as a service providers. You want your customer that they should pay you or give you money to do the ultimate sales. So you these three defining characteristics you can keep in mind while defining the digital marketing. You are doing all kind of marketing activities. uh, yes, Shivam is asking some questions. Can you tell me which topic is going on? Shivam, we are continuing with the last topic that we have continued. We were discussing what is digital marketing, and it's briefly we have discussed what digital marketing, and then we will continue with the agenda. And agenda is we are supposed to discuss these topics. We are supposed to discuss what is marketing, what is the difference between digital marketing and traditional marketing, and what exactly digital marketing, why digital marketing is so important, why you are so much eager to learn digital marketing, what is the future scope of digital marketing, what are the career opportunities in the digital marketing, and what are the important technical jargons which you must know to understand the digital marketing. These words should not seem French to you. You can talk in the marketing terms. So you must know these technical jargons. So we are supposed to discuss all these things. And in the definition of digital marketing, we have discussed about you are doing marketing activities, all kind of marketing activities. You are doing all these marketing activities on digital devices like tablet, phablet, mobile, desktop, laptop, and that devices is connected with the internet technology. So if your device is not connected with the internet technology, you may not be able to do that marketing. You may not be able to reach those customers. So digital devices, marketing activities, and internet technology are the three major components of digital marketing. You are doing all marketing activities on digital devices using internet technology. This is termed as digital marketing, right? So let's understand. You have given me so much example of already traditional businesses or traditional marketing mode. So you can share the flyers or pamphlets or newspaper advertisement or print advertisement or electronic advertisement on TV or holdings. So these are the few way of traditional marketing which people are already doing it. So if you have to get started with the business, and you understand the importance of marketing. Without marketing, you can't like your business, you can't sustain your business. So marketing is the lifeline of the business. Marketing is basically where you attract your paying customer. Again, give me one second just to confirm everything is going fine at my end. Hello. Yeah. I hope everything is okay because there are total 13 participation is. Yeah, yeah. It's all recording is all good. Nice. Thank you so much for all the help. So, traditional marketing, yes. So, with traditional marketing, like you are already, wherever you go, you see those traditional marketing activities. There is holdings, newspaper ads, all these are traditional marketing activities. So why it is need of digital marketing? One more thing you can understand: digital marketing does not mean end of the traditional marketing. It doesn't mean that if you are learning digital marketing, there is no use of traditional marketing. These traditional marketing and digital marketing are complementing each other rather than competing each other. So you must have noticed that whenever like when 360 marketing do, uh, it's SMS will be considered as digital marketing. SMS will be considered as digital marketing because you are using the digital devices. It's a mobile marketing. So Saurav has asked, SMS will be considered as traditional or digital. SMS will be considered as digital marketing because it's happening on the digital devices, right? So yes, thank you for asking the questions. You can keep asking the questions, and if the question is yes, sort of you say that it's digital marketing. It's not connected with the internet, but it's not directly connected with the internet. But internet technology is going to be used there. They have to deliver that SMS. Whatever technology they are using to deliver that SMS is the same technology. So even that is part of digital marketing, right? So you without that traditional marketing, Vivek is asking the questions: what is the basic difference, exact difference between traditional marketing and digital marketing? Traditional marketing is which is not basically you are not doing it on the digital medium. So there are one more thing you can keep in mind. These digital marketing is one more channel. It's not the exclusive channel. It's the inclusive channel. So there are so much medium. There is so much marketing medium is already there, and one more medium is digital medium. So medium has changed. So basically, the cycle, the process is wherever your visitor will go, the businesses start following their user on that medium. So if user is seeing lot of TV advertisement, or they are spending lot of time on TV, then businesses spend a lot of money to do the TV advertisement. Newspaper have lot of advertisement because newspaper have lot of readers. If newspaper does not have readers, no one will do advertisement on the newspaper. So basic fundamental is, wherever your user will spend time as a business owner, you will try to reach that user on that particular medium. So now people are spending more time on digital medium. They are spending more time on using internet technology. They are spending more time on social media. They are spending more time on mobile technologies. So this is one of the more channel, right? So digital marketing is one of the channel where, even why we are talking about so aggressively, because the change is very fast, the progress is very fast. uh, Shivam is saying that he can't hear my voice, but Shivam, you have to check at your end. I think all of you, or rest of you, are able to hear me. And now you understand digital marketing is complementing the marketing. It's one of the marketing channel. We are using digital marketing because our users or end users are spending more time on the digital medium. So wherever they will go as a marketers or a business owners, we have to follow our users. So Sarah is asking, I request you to complete the three defining components of the digital marketing that we were discussing in the last session. Yet, Sarah, very right. I'm just giving you the idea. Uh, so Saurabh is asking to unmute you. Saurabh, I'm going to unmute you in a few minutes. Like, let me complete one thing. So, there are three basic components of digital marketing. The first component is the users. Like as a business owner or as a marketer, we want to reach those users. So, user is the most important component. After users is the marketers. All of us are the user of the digital medium. All of us are using all this medium as a user. So now you are changing your perspective from user to marketer. So marketer or business owner is the next part of the ecosystems. And third is the platform. Using that platform, you are reaching those users. So social media, Google, YouTube, videos, email marketing, mobile marketing, all these are the medium to reach those customers. So in that ecosystem, all these three must be very, very cooperative and happy. Then only you are doing the right kind of digital marketing. So your user must be happy. As a marketer, you must be getting some return, and as a platform must be making some revenue or some return. So user, marketer, and platform like Yahoo, Google, Bing. So if all these three components are in the right coordination, then you are doing right kind of digital marketing. So I hope you understand the three components of digital marketing, and three defining characteristic means you are doing marketing activities on the digital devices using internet technologies. So now every device is connected with the internet technology. So that we have discussed. Now I'm just going to unmute Saurabh. Saurabh might have some questions. So I have unmuted Saurabh. Yeah, Saurabh, tell me. Hello. Saurabh, are you able to hear me? Saurabh Suman. I think. Hi Saurabh, I am not able to hear you. Let's fix. I think something missing at your end, your mic or something. You can fix it, and we will come back to you, right? So okay, Saurabh is saying mic is not working. No worries, Saurabh. So what we will do, let's complete the process. Let's complete the things which we are supposed to complete in the sessions, and keep asking your questions. I'm making a note of your questions, and I will answer all those questions in one by one. So, is it okay? If the questions is directly related to the topic, I will answer the questions immediately, and otherwise we will have a end of the session question answers, and there we will answer those questions one by one. Is it fine? Yes. So Saurabh is showing okay, it's all fine. So let's go ahead with our flow. Rohan is also saying yes. Yeah, fine. So let's understand, as a business owner, we are talking about these are the traditional businesses. So you have to play, if you want to get started with a traditional business, you must have a place to get started with. You may buy that place or you may rent that place. You have to stock your product and services, or you may have to start, you must have a place where you can store, do the goods stocking, and then you must have a sales staff or infrastructure to handle those footfalls, whoever is coming to your store. So this is the way traditionally we start businesses, but now, and they are using these kind of traditional marketing activities. So they have a holding, you have a news, you may have a visiting card or catalog or brochures or pamphlet, or we are using these this is the way how we traditionally start the business, and this is the way how we do the marketing of that traditional businesses. Now let's understand, to if you want to get started with the digital, if you want to get started with traditional businesses, it required like good amount of investment. You like without 3 lakhs, 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs, and even more than that, you must need some amount to start your traditional business in full fledged. So its investment is comparatively very high in comparison that when you want to start with the online business. So all of any of you have any idea that how many of you understand digital marketing is totally free? How many of you have concept like digital marketing is all free? Anyone have idea that digital marketing is totally free? If you have any misconceptions like that digital marketing is totally free, then just to remove that misconception that digital marketing is not free, it's so competitive, you have to invest your time, energy, money, effort, resources, then you will have a successful exposure of your product and services. It's not free. Even it's comparatively cheaper to start. It's free up to an extent, later it's paid. Yes, even if you are using this medium for the free, you have to contribute a lot, then only you can use that medium. So let's suppose you are assuming Facebook is a free medium. So on the Facebook, you must have you have to contribute a lot. You have to share your product informations, business informations, or views and reviews, images, graphics, videos. So you have to contribute a lot. Once you have a lot of contributions, as the result of that contributions, you can earn some free exposure. So to make that contributions, you may have to invest in content creations. To make that consistent presence, you may have to hire a full-time social media who will keep posting and regulating and managing your social presence. So directly it's not free. You have to invest. You have to do some investment. But we will understand that what are these possible options of free, paid, and owned presence. So just understand, if you have to start a traditional business, you investment is little bit more, comparatively more, and when you are getting started with the online business, you can start with a small monthly maintenance guide. You may have one website, one domain name and hostings and website development and content, and you are ready with your presence. So comparatively it is cheaper, but every single day competition is increasing, and the cost will also increase. accordingly. So we can compare that what are the limitation of traditional marketing and why everyone is ready to move to the digital marketing. So initial in traditional businesses, the initial cost is comparatively very high. Maintenance, regular every month maintenance of staffing and goods management and maintenance monthly recurring month cost is comparatively very high. Fixed liabilities like rent, labor, electricity is also required, and investment in product, like the investment in which you are not getting immediate return. So that investment of stocking the product is required. High cost of promotions to get the customers. You have to, when you distribute 50,000 flyers, then you may get 50 customers. So if you are going for the TV advertisement or radio advertisements or a newspaper advertisement, cost is comparatively decently very high, and it's a time that if you have invested a lot, then it required a lot of time to get that return. So yes, more time required to recover your investment, and it is limited by time and geography. This is one of the biggest limitations. So if you have a shop in the local market, the local area people, most of the time local area people will recognize you as a brand, and they will come to you for their product and services. So if any business does not have scalability features, if any business is not able to scale up, so that means that business is not able to fulfill their maximum potential. So any business must have scalability and must have profitability, to scalability and profit. So you should be able to expand your business to the limitless level, and you should be able to gain profit in the uh, limitless way. So if you are capping your profit, if you are capping your scalability means expansion. If you are restricting your business to a particular geography, so you are not able to expand it, then means this business model has some limitations. So there should not be any limitation in expansion of the business, and there should not be any limitation in the profit of the business. So your business must be in a way that you can expand this business in whatever way you want, and you can make the profit in whatever way you want. So that expansion and profit is a very core of any very good business. So these are the reasons people are moving towards digital medium or digital businesses. So can you suggest more reason why people are moving toward digital medium? Guys, can you suggest me the reason why people are moving towards digital medium? So indirectly, I'm asking what are the advantages of digital medium? Can you share your thought on advantage of digital medium? Why digital medium is the need of the hour, or why every business should make their presence on the digital medium? So, what is the advantage of digital marketing over the traditional one? So we have discussed the limitations. Yes, Saurav is saying it's a global, you can reach the global audience. Very nice, Saurav. Thank you. Global audience. You can reach, there is no limitation in reach. You can reach to the entire world. So, globalization, cost efficiency, in less cost, you can reach more people. It's a cost effective. Saurav, thank you for answering that. Globalizations and cost effective, not limited by geography. Sarah is saying, very nice, Sarah. Thank you so much. So if you have a business website presence, if you have a digital presence, you can reach to the entire world. Okay, yes. So not limited by geography, will help with the help of digital media. So if you are on the present on the digital medium, there is no restriction of the geography, there is no restriction of the locations. So you can connect to the huge, your reach is very high. Ritika is saying you can connect to the huge public digitally rather than the commercial way. Yes, Ritika, you are right. Your reach is very in very small span of time and money, you can reach to the very large number of audience. Fastest way to reach, Pooja is saying, digital medium provide us way to fastest way to reach. Very right, Pooja. Yes, on the social medium you can see that you may be seeing that some content got viral and it get exposed to the n number of people. Better exposure, Depinder is saying better exposure, efficient exposure. Very right, Depinder. Thank you. Vivek is saying we can aware about our product globally. Yes, we can make people aware about our product, services, or informations, or idea, and with a low cost. Vivek is also, it's all this require comparatively low cost. So yes, it's very right. Right now the cost is low, but as the number of advertisers, number of businesses are entering into the digital medium, in coming days it's not going to be the low cost. It's the cost on the cost of digital presence is going to increase many fold in the future, as the number of advertisers or number of promoters or number of business owners will enter into the digital medium. So every business owners will fight for the attention, users attention. So in that way cost will increase. But yes, you are right, right now cost is comparatively less. They get much more informations in digital platform rather than interacting with one single persons. Yes, Rohan, you are very right. On digital medium you can interact with many audience in the real time, but in this digital, in the traditional medium you are limited with interacting with the limited number of persons. So Rohan, you are also very right. And Devinder is saying return can be calculated in a better way. Devinder, you have pointed a very important point. So it's almost missing in the traditional medium. So you can calculate your return. Means in digital medium you are able to measure your all these activities. So you can exactly measure how many people have seen your advertisement, how many people have clicked on your advertisement, how many people have done the form fill-ups or conversions on your digital presence. So which pages they have visited, from which locations they have visited, on which time they have visited, what are their genders. So it's a, in digital medium, the tracking, analysis, and optimization is possible. In traditional medium, tracking is not that easy. Tracking is not that accurate. So in digital medium, tracking of your marketing effort is very almost accurate. Not 100% accurate, but 80-85%. You are able to track or see the return on investment. So Vivek, you are very right. Vivek is saying with the help of digital, we connect with the people at a time. Exactly, you can connect with many endless number of people at the time. Thanks to all those social media is giving you opportunity to connect with so many people in the real time. So thank you so much for so varieties of answers. So this is the beauty when you are interacting with so diversified audience, and then you will get lot of options to discuss. Thank you so much. Deves is saying interaction with audience is possible easily on digital medium. Yes, interaction with audience is very easily, and this is the reason so many companies are have started using digital medium as their customer care platform, or the medium to do the customer care activities. So recently, not recently, but a few months back, Apple has started that if their customer has any problem, they can just do the tweets and they can use a particular word in the hashtag, and Apple will take care of that complaint. So Apple is using Twitter as the customer care platform. And do you have, all of you, have you ever noticed that whenever you do any kind of complaint on the social media, you get faster response? Any of you have these such a recent experience that when you do any complaint on Saurabh has done complaint on Samsung, and what response is faster or slower? Your customer care response or brand response is faster or slower? Definitely is faster. So when you are faster, sort of, very right, yes. So when you are complaining on the digital medium, you may get response faster. because you are complaining them on the public platform, that complaint may spoil their reputations. So customer care, Rohan is saying that customer care executive of Xiaomi have either they have helped Rohan or something. So many companies have started using these medium as their customer care platform to help to serve their customer faster, to connect with their customer, to understand the customer requirement, to provide lot of value additions to their customers, to solve their queries of their customers. So it's all new to, because on this medium it's very easy to connect. It's very comparatively easy to connect with that customer, right? So digital medium, you understand that now how important, why we are moving towards digital marketing, and why it's now it's a buzzword. So let's again come back. If you want to start with the internet business, then means that you must have a digital devices, you must have an internet technology, and initial investment is nil. It's not nil. I will not say it's nil, but yes, initial investment is less. Comparatively, I will make it less rather than nil. So even if you are doing, your time investments is required, your energy required, your thought, your skills, you are investing your time, energy, skills in that. And minimum, if you want to create a simple presence, simple brand presence or dedicated presence, you need a domain name, you need a hosting, you need a website. So yes, in that case, initial investment is less. But one more thing, in that case, it's a nil. If you have a product and you don't have any digital presence, and even you are selling that product on the marketplace like Amazon or Flipkart or Snapdeal or Jobang, so in that case, even without any investment, you can sell your product on these marketplaces. So yes, in that case, even without investment, you can start your business. So do you guys have buy product online? What products you buy frequently online? Just give me some example. If you have recently bought product online. Yes, Rohan buy product online. Mobile, Ritika has bought mobile, Depinder has bought shoes, cell phone, camera, books, gadgets. Oh, so Vivek has bought mobile, Deves has bought clothes. So see, so much things you are buying online. Shoes, Satyam has bought shoes and fitness product. Rohan has bought shoes and fitness product. So now to just understand, if you have any questions in mind, if you have any doubts in mind, if you are looking for any informations, if you are looking to buy buy any product, where you reach first, first of all, where in most of the time, where you do your effort first. If you are looking for information, services, product or ideas, Google, yes, Google, where you reach your mobile first and you may open your Google. You may reach your laptop or desktop, and you will Google it. So even you may not be buying that product online, but for the initial research, for the initial informations, you are going to use the digital medium. So that this is the change. This one requirement or this one change in the user behavior is compelling all the businesses to manage their digital presence. So now understand that why digital marketing is so important. So if you are thinking about starting the digital business, so initial investment is comparatively nil. If you are starting with marketplace, so you can say that yes, the investment is nil. But if you want your own presence, if you want to create your own shop, then you require some initial investment like domain name, hosting, and website development. And even monthly maintenance is not nil. Monthly maintenance is also required some time, effort, money, but comparatively less. So That's why people are moving towards digital businesses. How many of you are planning or already started their digital presence? So one has already shared that, I think she was Sarah or someone has said she has already part of digital business. So any of you are planning to start your business online? Any of you planning to start your business online? Saurav is either he is planning or he might have already started. Saurav has said yes. Vivek has said yes, I am. Okay, nice, nice. So even if you are starting the digital presence or digital business, so it's a fantastic thing. And Sivan is saying after learning he will start his business. Nice, Sivan, thank you. Uh, and someone has said that Shara or some girl has said that she is already have business. So even if you are starting a digital business or even you are starting a internet business that required less investment or less time monthly maintenance, but even if you are starting a traditional business, digital marketing can help you to expose that business to the right audience. Dapinder is planning to have digital marketing as the career option. Okay. Okay. Dayanand Prasad, I think he has joined recently. Yeah, Dayanand. So, if you are starting internet business, these are the advantages. You can start your internet business with low cost, low maintenance cost. Monthly maintenance cost is comparatively lower. Fixed liabilities that rent, labor, or electricity is required. Not required, but even if you grow decently, your liability will be less, but you must have some liability. So you need not to stock your product and services. You can do drop shipping, or you can stock it on. You can stock your product at the marketplace warehouses, and promotions, low or no cost promotions to get our customers. Again, I'm not saying that it's a no cost. You have to invest your time. You have to contribute a lot to get that customers. So recover the investment faster. Yes, if you are investing less, then you can recover those investment very fastest. And the time, no time. Your business is not limited by time. Your business is running 24/7. This is the best part. 24/7, your shop is open. 24/7, your sales representative in the form of website or in the form of web page is doing work on your behalf. So it's not limited by time, it's not limited by geography. Yes, these are the advantages of internet businesses, and that's why so many people are moving towards internet. So if you are sleeping, even if you are sleeping, your business can earn money for you. So even you are blogging or you are selling your product on your website or you are doing advertisement on your website, as your website is running 24/7, if you are making your customer happy, if you are making your acquiring new customers every single day, so then your digital presence will earn money for you. Basically, your digital presence will earn money for you. Shivam is asking what is debt investment. Debt investment means you have invested something but you are not getting return immediately. It's a kind of debt investments. For example, you have stocked the product but you are not getting the return in that storage. So it's a debt investment. So let's suppose you have bought a flat and you have rented out that flat. So it's that rented flat is giving you immediate return. But you have bought a plot and you are not using that plot, but you have invested the money in the plot. That kind of investment is called debt investment. So where you are not getting the immediate return is called debt investment. I hope it's clear now. So the advantage of digital marketing is your business is working for you 24/7. You may have to work 8 hours a day in your office, but your digital presence will work 24/7. So can you give me some example of digital presence? if you are learning digital marketing, basically you are going to manage the digital presence for yourself or digital presence for your businesses. If you are working for someone else, then you are going to manage digital presence of your company. If you are working for yourself, you are going to manage the digital presence of your own. So can you give me some example of digital presence? If you want to do digital marketing, first thing you need a digital presence. So yes, FB, you can create a Facebook page, is your digital presence. You can create Twitter handle, it is your digital presence. You can create your own website, it's a digital presence. Even you are if you have a domain name, it's a digital presence. If you mobile applications, if you have mobile apps, it's a digital presence. If you are sending a mail to someone else, it's a digital presence. If you have a video on YouTube, it's a digital presence. A YouTube channel is a digital presence. If you are uploading your product on marketplace like eBay or Flipkart or Amazon, that is also a digital presence. Simply as simple as that, if you are clicking a photographs and uploading that photographs on the OLX to sell, that is also one of the digital presence. So all of you have given a lot of example of the digital presence. Nice, thank you. Shivam has said FB, Twitter. Sarah has said website. Saurabh has said domain name. Sarah has said mobile applications. Dapinder has said eBay and YouTube channels. So yes, these are the digital presence. And these, once you create the digital presence, the beauty of this digital presence is this digital presence will work for you 24/7. So this is your sales representative, and if you are sending your sales representative to do the selling on your behalf, make sure to send those sales representative all occupied and all ready, means all equipped. They must have every information with them. Their PPT should be ready. They should be ready to convince your customer. These are the first impression about your product and services in front of the customer. So you will make sure that your digital presence should be convincing enough to generate money for you. So basically digital presence, in all of these digital presence, we can divide digital presence in three categories. First category is called owned presence, means website or domain name or your own blog is example of owned presence. Owned presence means you are the owner of that medium, you are the owner of that presence. You can decide where to show what. So website is an example of owned presence. But if you are not owning the medium, and even if you are managing the presence of the on that medium, then that kind of presence is called earned medium. So if your Facebook page or Twitter handle can be your earned presence, means you have contributed, and as a result of that contributions you are getting the presence, so it's earned medium. And third is called paid medium, means you are directly paying to the medium, you are directly paying to the Facebook to create a preferential presence, you are directly paying to the Twitter to create a preferential or a better presence. So Facebook, there is saying Facebook page, if you are not paying to the Facebook and you are managing the Facebook page, then it's earned medium. But when you are paying to the Facebook and then promoting the Facebook page, then it's a paid medium. So as a digital marketer, your responsibility will be to manage owned medium or owned digital presence, and paid medium or paid digital presence, or earned medium or earned digital presence. So basically you have to manage three kind of presence on the digital medium. Owned medium, where you are owning the medium, means you are the owner, website, blogs. Earned medium means you are not paying to the platform, even you are managing, you are connecting with the customers. So for example, your Facebook page, Twitter handle, YouTube channels. And paid medium, all kind of advertisement. All kind of advertisement is categorized as the paid medium. So you are paying to the platform and they are giving you better presence, so it's a paid medium. So now that we understand that the traditional way of shopping, where people are going to the market, touching it, feeling it, negotiating it, bargaining it, and then they are buying the product they need. So the fila market or local store is the example of traditional way of shopping. But now, as you have already proved that. You have already proved that now you are spending more time on digital shopping rather than the traditional shopping. You are visiting Flipkart, Amazon, Snapdeal, eBay on the digital devices to do the purchases. So, okay, one more thing, if it's a little bit casual, but I just am curious. What is the first thing you do in the morning? Guys, come on. What exactly you do in the morning when you wake up? What is the first thing you do in the morning? Check FB. Shivam saying he check FB. Depinder check WhatsApp. And I'm sure whoever is not answering, even they are interacting. They might be interacting with some of the digital devices as the first thing in the morning. So Ritika is very smart. She is saying she check time, and even to check the time, she might be using the mobile. So Saurav is saying he plan his day. Even to plan the day, he might be planning his day on the digital devices, on the calendar or Google Planner or something there. Hari is saying he check WhatsApp, and Sarah go through the WhatsApp, and Dayanand WhatsApp and Facebook and messages, and Vivek check the mails. So now you understand, and the similar thing is possible in the night. And what is the last thing you do in the night? What is the last thing you do in the night? Also almost similar things you might be doing in the life. Last thing you might be seeing your mail or WhatsApp or video or chatting or something. You are interacting with the digital devices. So this proof that our dependency on the digital medium is increasing every single day. So Dayanand is saying he check Facebook, mail and WhatsApp in the night, so as a last thing. So this all these prove that if if your user right now, all of you are a user of this medium. So now if you have to understand the user behavior. If user is depending so much on the digital devices and the business is not present on that, means business is missing those audience. If you are looking for best shoes or best running shoes, and some best running shoes company is not there, means they are missing you. So two things. So on digital marketing, you can reach to the people who is already present on digital medium, who is already spending some time on the digital medium. Then it's a digital. Then only you can reach them. If your audience is not present on digital medium at all, so you can't reach them. So, but the good thing or signing thing about this is every single day number of internet user is increasing. Every single day number of digital devices is using. Oh, Devesh is saying they lack emotional connections. Yes, and that's why people are so crazy about videos that to provide that emotional connections. Every platform is giving you the option of videos, live video. You can connect, you can share your emotions in the video. You can say that video is the closest expression of the physicality. So yes, when you see the video, you do you get emotional or not, Devesh? So yes, this is the lack. There are so many disadvantages of the digital marketing also. We will discuss that disadvantage. So this is one of the disadvantages. Emotional connection is missing, and they are trying to fulfill that connections by providing a lot of video support and to fill that gap. But again, you can't fulfill the all possible gaps only through the digital. The more digital connection is there, the more the need of physical connections will be there. So yes, lack of emotional connection is one of the disadvantages. If we have started discussing disadvantage, let's give me more disadvantage. More disadvantage. What can be the disadvantage of digital medium? What do you think? What can be the disadvantage of digital medium? Can you share some thoughts on that? What can be the disadvantage of digital medium? Do the brainstorm and share some thoughts. Saurabh is saying lack of trust. Yes, if it is the disadvantage, then when you are managing your digital presence, you will make sure that your digital presence should reflect that trust, should communicate that trust. Yes, lack of trust is one of the disadvantage, but you can compensate it by providing your phone number, mobile number, physical addresses, or your associations with the reputed organizations, and videos and privacy policies, and number of customer you have served so far, or testimonials, video testimonials from your client. So ratings and reviews, stars, all these are that you can compensate that lack of trust. You can reflect the trust if you are taking care of all these things. We don't check quality of the product. Shivam is saying you are not able to check the quality of the product, and that's why you are so much dependent on the rating and reviews. And rating and reviews can be manipulated. So yes, this is one of the disadvantages. Publishing marketing is misleading. Ritika is saying marketing. So marketing is misleading. It's not only digital marketing. Even if you are seeing the TV advertisement, it's not the matter of digital. Wherever you are seeing the marketing can be misleading. So yes, it's not exclusive disadvantage of digital, but yes, digital marketing can be misleading. Publishing that is ignoring companion in order to pay attention one phone or other mobile number, digital devices. Less number of digital customers. Yes, Saurav is saying there is less number of digital customer. Physical appearance or the physical feeling is missing. Depender is saying physical feeling is missing. I am agree with Depender. Sara is saying personal information on the various website can put one's safety or to risk. Exactly, Sara, you are very right. So much fraud is going on. So what you are trying to say? Online fraud, the possibility of online fraud is increasing every single day. The more people are coming on the digital medium, the more people are more innocent people are coming on the digital medium, and more fraud people are coming on the digital medium, and they are trying to make those innocent people fool, or they are trying to manipulate with their emotions or with their personal informations. They are collecting the personal informations. They are doing the pissing kind of means they are showing like a similar website, and they are trying to collect the personal informations from you, or they might be misguiding you. So the cases of online fraud is increasing every single day. That is exactly what you want to communicate. Yes. So these are the few disadvantages, but there is no one thing in the world which has only and only advantage. So it's again every single thing have two side, positive and negative. But when personally for me, the positive of digital marketing is far greater than the negative of the digital marketing. So even keeping those negative things in mind, it's worth doing the digital marketing. Right, so let's define digital marketing. After so much of discussion, the process of reaching out and engaging with your customer or user through digital medium like internet, email, mobile. So this is the definitions of digital marketing. Why digital marketing? You have already answered so much reason to go on digital medium. So why digital marketing? There is no time limitation, time bondage. your website can earn money for you 24/7. You can reach to the entire world. Number of audience or number of customer is very big, and you can communicate with your customer on the real time, and you can do the connection building, and you can, that's so much. And the number of reason is investment is less, competition is less. So we have already discussed enough number of reasons, so that why we should go for digital marketing. So just understand one activity, that you want to buy a mobile and your budget is 10,000. No, you are not looking for a specific brand, but you are looking for best deal. So you have already, all of you have this experience, isn't it? So what exactly you will do? This is the scene. This is the activities you have to do. Where you will start? From where you will start your work? You have, if I will ask you to, this is the scene, and I'm sure you will start with some digital devices. You will start with the Google. Depinder and Shivam is saying you will. Sarah is also saying Google it, Google it, Google it. Yes. So definitely we will Google it. Best mobile phone under 10,000 or something like that. Best mobile phone deal within 10,000. Something like we do the Google, and very right. All, thank you so much for answering. And all of you are using the Google, and once you will go to the website, what you will check for? You will check for rating and reviews. You may also check their Facebook pages. You may get more informations by visiting YouTube videos, and you will search many online marketplaces like Flipkart, Snapdeal. Compare the prices, and then you will decide what product you are looking for. So yes, all of you have answered well. Okay, Google, they will go to the Google, they will search the different website, Google, and find out the online shopping apps, and then compare the mobile prices under 10,000, and then checking the reviews, and then checking the ratings and specifications, and then you will decide your best deal. So exactly the same process people are doing for to buy any product, right? So first is again, Devesh is asking how to describe our genuinity through the digital medium. After that, uh, yes, I'm sharing the process. If you want something, if you are looking for some information, product, services, or idea, first you will do the informational kind of searches. Okay, best mobile phone under 20,000. When you will go through the different website comparisons, informations, and then you will you will look for the best deal, and once the deal is best, then you will buy it. So it's again the same objective. If you remember the objective I have discussed in the initial time. So if you want to reach them, the people who is looking for informations, that means you are doing awareness campaign, considerations campaign, and conversion campaigns. So there are three kind of users. First user, who is looking for, who right now they haven't made their mind what to buy, but they are looking for options. So that is the informational kind of awareness campaign. Considerations means they are comparing, they are looking for the best deal, they are doing their brand research. So that is the considerations. They will view your video, they will see their rating and reviews, they will compare. So that means they are doing the considerations. And conversions means they are ready to buy. So we run digital marketing campaign with three objectives: awareness, considerations, and conversions. So yes, someone has asked, Devesh has asked how to describe our genuinity through the digital medium. There are so many ways we reflect our genuineness on the digital medium. But first, by providing our contact details, means name, address, phone number. Second, by providing rating, reviews, feedback, testimonial of our client. If video testimonial are present, that is also very good. Third, we provide our like all the marketable, all the USPs, means number of customer served so far, number of branches, or number of like number of the how old your company is, and your association with a particular organizations, or the certificate you might have received from some organizations, or the award you have received from some organizations, your government affiliations. So these are the things you are using a lot of like security features on your website, so that way you are going to reflect your genuinity. And for digital users, for your buyers, there is two major concern. First is security, and second is trust. Safety and trust, they are looking for that wherever they are sharing the informations, their information should be safe and secure. And third, they should do business with the trustworthy partners only. So you have to reflect these two things, security and trust, in every possible way. You can so go to the Flipkart and Snapdeal and eBay, everyone is doing the same thing. They are giving you so much of emphasis on the trust. Okay, these people, your one of your friend has bought this, or your card is secure, or information is secure, or we are the good people, we will not spam you, or number of ratings, number of reviews, number of customers served so far. All these are the example of reflecting your genuinity. So we have done this session, mobile phone below 10,000, this kind of result you may receive. This is called a sponsored ad. Wherever you are seeing, have you noticed that this sponsored ad? So this is called a sponsored ad. When you are doing product advertisement in the Google search, it is called sponsored ad. Where it is AD is written, then it's a advertisement. And wherever nothing is written, this is the result of SEO, search engine optimization. So how many of you have heard this word for the first time? SEO. How many of you have heard the term SEO for the first time? Or if you have already heard, Shivam is saying he has heard this word for the first time. Search engine optimization, SEO. Okay, nice, Shivam. Thank you for answering. Rest of you already have heard that. Saurabh has already heard it. Okay, nice. Thank you. Devesh has already heard it. Nice. Thank you. Yes. So, if you are a little bit curious about digital marketing, you might be familiar with this word SEO, search engine optimization, social media, SMO, social media optimizations, PPC, pay per click, SEM, search engine marketing, or these are the popular terms. We will discuss that terms. But if you will do a little bit of searches, they means you initially you will get familiar with these terms. So we will have a dedicated session on this topic. We will have a dedication session on search engine marketing. We have a dedicated session on SEO. Right now, just understand, if you are doing the Google searches, and as a result of that search, two type of listing appears. One is kind of advertisement, and one is kind of that where there is no advertisement. So it is called SEM, search engine marketing, and it is called SEO, that is search engine optimizations. For example, I am going to the Google and searching for best mobile phone, best mobile phone under 10,000. Under 10,000 in India. Let's suppose I am looking for in India as well. So now you see the result. So this is sponsored ad. You can manage this kind. This is paid advertisement. This is the example of paid medium. So if you want to show your advertisement here, you have to use the platform called AdWord platform. Using AdWord platform, you can manage your product presence here. And rest of these, this is SEO, this is the result of SEO, but this is called featured snippet. This is your title, this is URL, again this is title, URL and description. These are called site link, these are called site link. And this is like this entire page is called search engine result page. This when you are searching for something, and the entire result page is called SERP, search engine result page. And approx 10 results you will see in the search engine result page. This is called Google related terms. Means these people are searching for these related terms a lot, so this is called Google related term. And this is called uh, go ever. And when you are searching and Google is suggesting you these options, so this is called Google instant or Google suggestion, Google instant. When you will click on this I am feeling lucky, they will land you on the first result of the organic. First, if you are searching for and you will click on I am feeling lucky, so whatever website is coming at the first position of the SEO, you will land on that first result of the search engine optimizations. So this is I am feeling lucky. You can do voice searches. This is called pop-up. This kind of things is called pop-up. So this is called pop-up. And let's suppose you are searching for something else. I'm searching for uh, digital marketing code, digital marketing course in Noida. So if you're searching for such thing, so this AD, this kind of result is called, it's advert. Again, it's a text ad in the search engine. Google is the search engine. This is called search term. This digital marketing course in Noida is the search term. And this is paid advertisement. Wherever it is AD, wherever it's written AD, it's a paid advertisement. And this paid advertisement is termed as SEM, search engine marketing. SEM, search engine marketing. And to manage this paid advertisement, you have to use AdWord. AdWord, if you are an advertiser and if you are ready to spend money to get the preferential presence for the targeted keyword, this is called search query or search term. This is Google suggestions. So if you are ready to pay, here you can do the search voice searches. And if you are ready to pay for the keyword, so if you are ready to pay for the keyword, then you can manage your advertisement. And this is the result of Google My Business. This result is from Google My Business. And you can have Google My Business presence. It's a free one. It's a part of local SEO. So this is local SEO. Again, this is SEO. These results are SEO. So this is a structured snippet. This kind of result is part due to structured snippet. This is title, URL, descriptions. So we will discuss all these things in the separate section. But just to explain that what is paid advertisement. So these are the paid advertisement and these are the free. Here you have to pay to the Google for every clicks. Wherever it is written AD, you are paying to the Google for every click. So that's why it is also termed as PPC, pay per click. It's a location extension, so it's a pay per click. Here, once you achieve these kind of result where there is no advertisement, even your website is appearing, then this is called SEO, search engine optimization. So basically in digital marketing, we are going to learn SEO, SEM both, and many more things as well. Someone is asking, there are four or five ad levels they are paying to the Google. Yes, all these are ready to pay to the Google. All these advertisers are ready to pay to the Google. Someone has asked, oh, will all these will pay to the Google? Okay, just understand, these are ready to pay to the Google, but Google, they will pay only and only if someone will click on this ad. If let's suppose I have clicked on this ad, then only this DSIM will pay to the Google. If I will click on this ad, then Prism India will pay to the Google. If Google is not asking payment for the impressions, for the display, when someone will click on their advertisement, then they have to pay to the Google. But the ad means they have a promise, they have a commitment. Okay, if someone will click, I will pay to the Google. Right? Someone has, that means that's why it's a PPC. It's pay per click. This is an example of PPC. And Saurav has asked how am I feeling lucky work. So when you will do this, I am feeling lucky. You will land on first SEO result. You will land on first SEO result. I feeling lucky means you are saying that whatever Google will suggest you, that is this is the best result for you, and without clicking here you will land on the first result of the SEO. Vivek is asking how much they charge for this. This depends on the number of advertisers. This depends on the number of advertisers and the keywords and many other things that we will discuss in our advert session. To manage this kind of advertisement, you have to learn advert. In our advert session, we will look into that how much you have to pay. But for now, just understand, for every click you have to pay. For every single click, this advertiser will pay to the Google. How much they will pay? According to the number of advertisers, their quality score, number of keywords. There are so many components are there which will decide how much you have to pay. Okay, nice. Thank you. Come back. So now you understand SEM and SEO. So let's go for the activity. So these are, you can collect all the informations. There are all these are digital presence. All these are digital presence. I'm not going into the detail right now because we have to cover few important words. So you can make your digital presence on the social media: Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Delicious, Reddit, Pinterest, Instagram, YouTube. These are the social media websites. Social media has defining characteristic like social media where you can make the connections, you can share the content with the connections, and your connections can respond to you in the real time. It's a multi-way communications in the real time. You can build the connection. That connection building is the defining characteristic. You can share the content with the connections, and third, your connections can respond to your content in the real time. Multi-way communication is possible. So social media we will discuss in the session. We will discuss Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, G plus, YouTube. Email marketing, you are sending mail to your end users. Email marketing is one of the oldest digital marketing channel. So you must need a list of email IDs. You have to create the subject line. You have to create this mailer, means messages which you are going to send them, and then you need a software email service provider or server where you will send those mail to your client. So email marketing is one of the marketing channels. And then SMS, WhatsApp, mobile apps, this is also a digital marketing channels. So you are interacting with the digital medium with your customers. So digital marketing, WhatsApp is the all the chatting apps like WhatsApp or Skype, or like all the chatting apps. You guys will be knowing more chatting apps. And mobile apps is also, you can reach your customer, you can connect with your customer, you can serve your customer, you can sell to your customer using SMS, WhatsApp, mobile apps as well. So remarketing means your visitor has visited your page. Your visitor this is your website. This visitor has visited your website. Now they have closed this website, and this visitor is visiting another website. Even your advertisement is this user is seeing your advertisement on another website. Means their ad is following this visitor on the other website. This kind of remarketing is called, this kind of process is called remarketing. So do you have any experience in such way, when you even you close the website and their ad will follow you on the different platform? Have you noticed such experience? Yes, Saurabh has such experience. Devinder has some experience. Sarah has some experience. Yes. So this is due to Ritika has also such experience. This is due to Rohan haven't noticed this thing. So if you, even if you have visited Make My Trip, the flight ad will follow you on other website. If you have visited your website, your ad will follow you on Facebook. If you have visited video, that video ad will follow you on the news website. If you have installed mobile app, their ad will follow you on different platform. So if you have shared your email ID, their ad will follow you everywhere on the internet. So these kind of activities called remarketing. Remarketing. It's a very important to understand the remarketing to increase the number of conversions. So we will discuss the remarketing, and then we will discuss affiliate marketing. Means affiliate marketing. You have means you will generate affiliate link. Means you will go to the Amazon or Flipkart or any clickbank or affiliorama or wealthy affiliate. These are the platform where you will go. You will select the product to promote. You will get a unique link from that product. You will place that link on your website, and your visitor will come to your website. Your visitor will click that affiliate link, and they will visit that affiliate partner website. They will buy that product. Once the conversion happen, you will get the commission. So this is one of the money earning possibilities. This is the one of the option people are earning lot of money from affiliate marketing. So it's affiliate marketing. And then future of digital marketing, let's discuss. What do you feel future about future? Is it does digital marketing have good future? What do you have? Yes, Saurabh is saying good. They have good future. Someone has asked, Vivek has asked me to explain once more. Okay, Vivek, I'm saying, I think you are asking for explaining the affiliate marketing, right? In affiliate marketing means you are promoting others' product. Yes. I'm going to explain affiliate marketing again, as Vivek has asked. Affiliate marketing means you are promoting others' product, and you are generating some money out of that as a commission. So affiliate marketing is the way to earn commission by selling others' product. So what you are doing, you are going to the different platform, you are selecting a product, and after that selections, that product owner or website owner or affiliate provider will give you a unique link to promote, and that link you will paste on your website or on mobile apps or on the Facebook page or on WhatsApp group. So you will start promoting that unique promotional link on in your network, and when your friend family's network will click on that link, they will, if they will the customer will click on that link, and if they convert, if they buy the product, then this affiliate, because that affiliate link is unique to you, you will, that affiliate link will track your activities, your users activity, and if this is the converted customers, then you will get a commission. That if you have sell the product of 100 rupees, you may get the commission of 40 rupees or 30 rupees. So it's the affiliate commission. So this is the money earning opportunity on the internet. Affiliate marketing is one of the oldest digital marketing channels, and that they have huge potential to earn money online. So I hope now understand, Vivek understand what is affiliate marketing. Yes, Davinder is now come to the future of the affiliate marketing. Vivek, if you haven't understand, we have a dedicated session on the affiliate marketing. We will do this again, so no worries. And let's understand the future of the future of the digital marketing. As Depinder had said, it's increasing exponentially. What is increasing exponentially? What exactly why digital marketing is increasing exponentially? The digital user, exactly, Devinder, very right. Digital user is increasing exponentially. Digital devices is increasing exponentially. Every single businesses is dying to have a digital presence. So if you are not present, if your business is not present on the digital medium, so means you are losing those customers. The customer may not trust you enough to, okay, you are not present on the digital medium. So Shivam is saying, ma'am, suppose someone click on link but not buy anything, then commission generate or not. Shivam, there are different kind of affiliate network. It depends on the what affiliate network you have joined. Some affiliate will pay you for the clicks. Some affiliate network or some affiliate product will pay you for the conversions or actions, and some affiliate network may pay you only to show the ads. So it's a CPC network, CPA network, CPM network, cost per click network, cost per thousand impression network, and cost per action network. So that we will discuss in detail in affiliate marketing. But it depends what you, which product, whose product you are promoting. For example, if you are promoting Amazon's product, it means that you can promote like Amazon has given you one link. You will go to the Amazon, you will do the Amazon affiliate partnership. Let's suppose, just because this is a very interesting topic, you are very much willing to. I'm sure you must be willing to earn online, and that's why you are giving so much importance to this. So let's, and very briefly, I'm giving you the way you can, for example, we have taken the example of Amazon. You can go to the Amazon. At the end of the Amazon, you can see the link of affiliate partner. Here you can see the link of the become an affiliate. Can you see that? So this is become an affiliate, and you will click in the become an affiliate. You will provide all these, you will join the affiliate link. They will give you a small link. You will promote that link on wherever you want to promote. You can promote it on Facebook, WhatsApp, Google, website, blog, email, wherever you want to promote. You can promote that link. When someone will click on that unique link, they will land on Amazon. They will land on Amazon, and Amazon has facility that even if you are promoting a book and the customer may buy something else, you will get the commission. So that way you are going to get the commission. Shivam is saying he is not able to hear my voice. Rest of you are able to hear my voice? Rest of you, yes, all of you are able to hear my voice. Thank you, Shivam. Shivam, you have to check at your end. Your internet might not be working. Devesh, again, you have to also check your internet, because rest all, Vivek, Dayanand, Devendra, Rohan, Sara, Ritika, Saurabh, Hari, all of them are able to hear my voice. So you have to check your internet connections. So what I am supposed to share that if someone has generated the unique link, and in that unique link you are promoting a book, but that your visitor has came to Amazon and they have bought this toy, so even you will get the commission whatever product they are buying. So this arrangement is from the Amazon. In the same way, every website have their own arrangement to pay. You can get paid for clicks, you can get paid for display or impressions, and you can get paid for the conversions or the buy or the sell or the action. That when you are getting paid for the action, it's CPA. When you are getting paid for the impressions, then it's CPM. When you are getting paid for the clicks, then it's CPC. So I hope you understand. We will discuss in detail in the affiliate marketing session. So now let's discuss the why internet marketing number of users is increasing. Total number of active internet user is 43 million internet user as a percentage of the total population Oh my God, only 19%. This percentage has increased. Certainly now the number of percentage, it's January 2015, it's now January 2017 data is there. This number of percentage has been increased. And just understand that the government effort. Now Modi Sarkar is saying that your mobile is your bank, right? So, and Modi Sarkar has also opened number of Jan Dhan account in the bank. So even if that number of people will start using mobile to use their bank, so the number of mobile user will increase drastically. If the number of mobile user will increase drastically, are they going to do only banking on the mobile? They will do all kind of activities. They will use Google, YouTube, Facebook, everything. So the number of mobile user will increase drastically. So in that way, number of, and every railway station is getting Wi-Fi connections. Every like airport is getting Wi-Fi connections. Every city, Modi Sarkar has a plan to have a Wi-Fi center in every village. So by that time, the number of internet users will increase, and every business will change their user on the on digital devices. So number of active users, mobile active user is 200 millions. Mobile internet users as percentage of the total population is 16%. So even this volume is not very impressive, but the potential is very huge because we are the we have the huge population. So growth of the internet penetration is in India increasing. India's largest user base is estimated to reach 550 million by 2020, which is the penetration approx 40% from 19%. Just imagine this jump from 19% to 40%. These Jan Dhan account user, when they will start using mobile, they will bypass, they have already bypassed the laptop. They haven't seen the laptop, they haven't seen the desktop, they haven't seen the tablet. They have started using the mobile. So they have bypassed all those things and they are using the mobile. So that's why this, and their mobile have internet uses, or Geo is giving free internet uses. Everyone is able to use the free like the free internet. So this is a very promising figure, very promising figure. So now you understand why you are so much, why you should learn digital marketing, why you should learn internet marketing. Are you convinced enough that you must learn digital marketing? Hmm. So yes, Rohan is convinced. It's very important. Every single business need a digital marketer, right? Even if you are starting a business, you will think about starting with the digital marketing. So whether you are doing the business or whether you are doing digital marketing for other businesses, so that business can't survive without digital marketing. So it's very necessary. It's give me 1 second. Give me 1 second. Sorry, ma'am, I thought this was not disturbing you. No, it's okay also. This is only 30 minutes, then you can use. Other for 30 minutes, it's okay. Okay. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Bye. So, yes, all of you are here, and we are talking about India in 2020, and the e-commerce will be of for 10 billion market and 10 US dollar billion market, 300 million online customer. So you can just imagine the potential of digital marketing. And NASSCOM, this is one of the government the organizations who manage the IT industry. That IT companies are the member of NASSCOM, and their perspective is IT industry revenue will touch 350 billion by 2025, and globally digital technology spend uh, rise to 60%. Now suppose if businesses will spend money on digital medium, will they do the advertisement themselves, or they need a workforce to manage their advertisement? Right now businesses are spending money on news channels or print media or newspapers or TV advertisements. They are slashing their budgets and spending that budget on the digital medium. So now they need digital marketer to manage their digital presence. So technology and business services expenditure will projected this much. Total global addressable market driven by the adaptation of digital technology will become 4 trillion by 2025. Almost half of the Fortune 500 company will be based in emerging market 2025. Means all these Fortune 500 companies are targeting India. India is one of the emerging market. So they are coming to India to reach their customers. About 260 million jobs to be replaced or augmented by technology. So if you want to be job ready, or if you want to be part of the any business, so one of the basic skill they will look for, that you must be able to manage your digital presence, or you must be able to manage the company's digital presence. You must you will be the brand ambassador of the company on the digital medium. Company may treat your connections, or they may use you as a brand ambassador on the digital medium. So they are very promising. And now come to the digital career opportunities. If you are looking for job, what are the career opportunities you have? So career opportunities, like you can start with the intern. Even you can start with the intern. You can then you will move to the executive, specialist, team leader, strategy, and digital marketing head. So as an executive, you can start you can start with 1.5 to 3 lakh salary, and you can reach to approx 30 lakhs salary per annum. So the potential is very huge. And you if just imagine, if you are part of marketing team, if you are giving them revenue. Marketing team is the one team who generate direct revenue, direct money for the businesses. So they are happy to pay you accordingly. If you are able to if you are able to generate money for the businesses are very happy to give you return favor in terms of salary. If someone has some questions, what kind of marketing strategy step taken by Geo? Oh, Geo has given you, like we will take the case studies and example of in one of our sessions. There we will discuss customer value optimizations. So, Geo has taken the strategy of mafia offer. There is a term called mafia offer. Mafia offer is a kind of offer which your customer cannot say no to it. They have invested money in generating, in not in advertisement. They have generated the direct sales. Let's suppose you are investing 1 crore in TV advertisement, and rather than doing TV advertisement, you are spending that 1 crore to give free sample to your audience. So whoever is using free sample, they already become your customer. They have shared their email ID, mobile number, phone number. They have tested the quality of your product and services. So they are more prospective customer. So their calculation is something like that. If they are spending this much of amount and they are supposed to generate this much of lead, so let's spend that amount on giving something free, and how much lead or how much prospective or how much confirmed customers they are generating out of that. So they are giving free mafia offer, and their prospective customer cannot say no to that mafia offer. So there is nothing on the risk. They are not like if you are going for the Geo SIM, you are not risking anything, even you are getting only the returns. So once they have tested the quality, you are trusted the business, then they will ask you to pay. So in future they may ask for the payment. Even their plan is not asking the payment from the end customers. They are planning something like that. They will give you internet free forever. In return, they will do the advertisement, or they will sell another digital products, like they will sell video movies. They may have library of movies, or library of digital books, or subscription of news, electronic, or newspapers. So they are going to generate money by selling other products, that this product their user will use when they have free internet, right? So but why others are not able to do that? Because they don't have that much of first thing, now everyone is following the same thing. If you will give attention, almost all big companies are doing the same thing. You are getting free first ride on Ola. You are getting two movie ticket for installing the particular app, or you are getting 60 rupees free for booking something like that. So now everyone is doing following their strategy, but they have used money, they have invested in a better way. So it's other almost same one is almost every single business is doing the same thing. So they are rather than doing the advertisement on the channels, they are doing advertisement. They are giving some free things to get the guaranteed customer. Ola free ride is what? A guaranteed customer. Mobile apps installation for Just Dial to get two movie tickets is the free confirmed customers, right? So we will discuss on that. And freelancers, Dayanand is asking freelancers. Devesh is asking, I think I get a little bit. Thank you. Nice, nice, Devesh. Yes, yes, it's a part of customer value optimization. So you have to give them something risk free. Then you will convince them to try their low value offers, and then you can convince them to try your core product, and then you can convince them to become your premium customers. So almost when Snapdeal has started, they have given you the first free deal. Then Softglue has started. They have started giving you pen drive in 1 rupees. So almost Paytm is the biggest. You can take the example of Paytm. In every recharge, you are getting a cashback. So what they are trying to do, they are giving you something. They are inviting you to test the product. If the product is useful, keep using the product and pay to them. So yes, now let's understand entrepreneurs. If you are a freelancers or part-timers, you can earn a good amount of money, anything around 10,000 to 1 lakh per month. Full-timer can set up a business empire and earn unlimited amount of money on the internet. There's a huge potential, but this is not an easy money. If you are looking for easy money, then I will not suggest to go for the digital marketing. You have to involve yourself completely. You have to immerse yourself in that. uh, Initially, a lot of hard work, lot of involvement, lot of patience, lot of tactics, lot of focus is required, and the most important thing is focus. If you are able to focus on one thing, you are going to get the result. If you are not able to focus, then you will dilute your effort on different channels. So we will discuss a little bit of freelancing and part-time earning on internet. Entrepreneur means one who is taking the initiative to do things in a better way, and also making some profit out of that. Entrepreneurs, like literally means you are trying to do value additions to your audience or to your customers or to the general public, and value additions in a better way. Traditional businesses are already there, someone is already fulfilling the customer's requirement, but you are able to find the problem, you are able to articulate the problem in a better way, and you are providing the better solutions, and might be out of the way, you are providing that solution being out of the way, not the traditional solution. So entrepreneurs is the one who is ready to take the initiative, who is intelligent enough to articulate the problem in the better way, and who has intelligence enough to provide the solution, to provide the better solution from the existing one. So entrepreneurs, that entrepreneur is the one who is taking the initiative. Okay, now let's understand the jargons, technical jargons. Okay, so these are the small. What do you mean by URL? We are going to discuss URL, FTP, HTTP. Give me the full form of all these. HTTPS, HTML, browsers, and then IP address, domain name, web hosting, web server, cookies, virtual private network, and redirections, clogging, web pages versus website, and blogs, ISPs, firewall, encryptions, phishing. Okay, so is this word, all these words are familiar to you? Are these words are familiar to you? Hmm. Internet, IP address is okay. Dayanand has familiarity with this word. Ritika is file FTP, file transfer protocol. HTML is hypertext transfer protocol, and Deves has familiarity with some of them. Hari is answering HTTP is hypertext markup language. Yes, very nice. Even if you are not knowing all these terms, but I'm sure that you must be aware of the few terms. VPN is virtual private network. Very nice. Ritika, what's your background? Like, are you from the technical background? Hmm. Yes, IT background. Yes, that's why you are able to answer the VPN, virtual private network. URL is uniform resource locator. Okay, so more or less you are familiar with this word. I'm going to explain this word again in more formal way, right? So, mm, 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 mm. Okay, from next, this is the weekend session. All of you know that this is the weekend session, right? Yes, yes. So from next weekend, the session will start from 6:30 to 9:30. Like I will make sure the session should go flawless, and there should not be any technical glitches, and we will continue our session from 6:30 to 9:30. Is the time okay with all of you? Say yes if 6:30 to 9:30 time is all fine with all of you. Yes, Rohan is saying yes, Ritika is saying yes, Devinder is saying yes. Nice, thank you, thank you. You will also get the invitation link according to 6:30. So 6:30 is will be that Devinder is saying yes, Hari is also saying yes. So next session, from next session onwards, we will organize this training in the 6:30 to 9:30. Now let's understand this technical jargon. URL is uniform resource locator. So this is URL, uniform resource locator. So this is URL, this is URL, this is URL, this is URL. So now you understand this URL, amazon.com, and this is the uniform resource locator. Means what is the exact address of your content on the internet. If we didn't attend the class, we will get any video. Yes, Hari, you will get a recorded video uploaded in the McIntern website. You will get the recorded video. But even I would suggest, or I would request to come and try to attend as many sessions as possible. But if you due to urgent reason, if you are not able to attend, then definitely you will see the same recording. Yes, exactly the same recording in the McIntern library, in McIntern video library. So URL is an acronym of Uniform Resource Locator, and uniform resource locator, and it's an address, it's exact address on the internet. And URL has two major components: the protocol, that is HTTP, it's a protocol. HTTP is a protocol, hypertext transfer protocol. So it's a set of rules how to data should be transferred from one computer to another computer. The protocol identifier HTTP, and resource name. This is the name of the resource, that is example.com is the resource name. So its URL is uniform resource locator. FTP is again a protocol. FTP is file transfer protocol. This is the set of rules to transfer file from one computer to another computer. File transfer protocol is a standard network protocol used to transfer computer files between client computer to the server computer. So if I have saved some data or some file on my local C drive, I want to upload those C drive data into my server. This is, let's suppose this is my amazon.in is my server. I want to upload the data on the Amazon. So then I have to use the FTP, and I will transfer my local C drive information or file to the server where Amazon data is saved. So it's file transfer protocol. And HTTP is hypertext transfer protocol. So hypertext transfer protocol is an application protocol, and HTTP is the foundation of the data communications of the World Wide Web. Means it's again a set of protocols. That set of protocols govern that how data should be transferred on the internet, World Wide Web. So let's suppose here you are opening. Sayed is asking, can I get the PPTs also? I think you may not be able to get the PPTs, but yes, you will get the recorded session of the same PPT. The same PPT we are running, and you may check with McIntern guys, and they may make it available. Okay, so do you know to whom you are coordinating with the McIntern? Is it Govind, or like to whom you are coordinating on the McIntern side? Like are you coordinating with Govind or Sipra or Vibha? Whoever is coordinating with you, you can send them a mail and request them that what exactly you need. They will make things available to you. And from my end, I will make sure to make the links available, right? So what we are discussing right now is the HTTP hypertext transfer protocol. Means how data is transferred on internet. Let's suppose I am looking for Flipkart. Here I have typed Flipkart, right? So when I am looking for Flipkart.com, whatever content is present on Flipkart, this is all these content, this images, text, links, graphic, or every single thing is not present on my local system, on my laptop. all these informations are present on the another system. That system is server, and there they are storing all the content on the files or folders or images or graphics or links. Every single thing they are storing these informations on the server. So how, when we request for flipkart.com, my browser, Chrome is my browser, the browser has connected the server of the Flipkart and requested for a particular file. Server has find that file and serve that file on my local system, on in my browser. So this is the all these thing is happening according to the rule of HTTP, that is Hypertext Transfer Protocol. So Hypertext Transfer Protocol is an application protocol to distributed, collaborated hypermedia information system. HTTP is the foundation of data communication. It's a data communications for the World Wide Web. World Wide Web means internet. Hypertext is structured text that uses logical links or hyperlinks between the one page, between one content to the another content. So it's HTTP. Then HTTPS, when your data is secure, when your data is transferred from one computer to another computer in the encrypted format, and the security is very high, then that particular thing is called HTTPS. Means you are see HTTPS is there. This this presence of this S, so that whatever credit card, debit card, email IDs, phone number, mobile number informations you are entering on the Flipkart website, they are getting saved in the Flipkart server. But when they are transferring from your local browser or local system to their server, during that transition period, their data is very secure, encrypted one. For this S, you have to buy the SSL security, that is secure socket layer. So if this is a paid service, then only you can use the HTTPS. So HTTPS is a protocol for secure communications over a computer network, which is widely used on the internet. HTTP consists of communications of hypertext transfer protocol within the connected, and your data will be get secured, encrypted when data is transferring from one computer to the another computer. So it's secure socket layer. It's a secure socket layer. The main motivation of HTTP is authentication of the visited website and protection of the privacy and integrity of the exchanged data. So whatever data you are giving, let's suppose you are doing this login or sign up. So whatever data you are providing to this website, that data will be securely transferred to their server. No one is able to hack that data. To make sure that security, they use HTTPS. So it's HTML. HTML, you already know, it's a hypertext transfer protocol. Browser understand, the entire browser, that this Internet Explorer is a browser, Mozilla is a browser, this Chrome is a browser, in this Opera is a browser. So the browser which is requesting data from the server and displaying that data on your local system. So browser understand HTML only. So hypertext markup language, commonly referred as HTML, is a standard markup language. Used to create the web pages. Along with the CSS, it's a cascading style sheet, and JavaScript, that is JS. So if whatever you are here, you can do the Control U and you can see the corresponding HTML. It's view source, you can see the corresponding HTML. Whenever you do Control U on any website, you can see the HTML. It's a HTML. You can see that it's a HTML, and they are also using CSS and JavaScript to create this complete page. So to this front end of this page, or the look and feel of this page, is designed by using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. The design of any page is front end screen is HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So that is there. And backend means functionality. If you are looking for the functionality, you are clicking here, reaching there, and this form should be this form should be working, and then data should be saved on your database. So all this functionality, you manage this functionality using web programming language. Web programming language like PHP or Java or ASP. So that is the web programming language. Browser, you, all of you know browser is a software application to retrieve. Browser is a software application to retrieving, presenting, and traversing information resources on the World Wide Web. Chrome, Opera, Internet Explorer, Mozilla Firefox. These are the example of the browsers. Where whatever you are doing on internet, most of the time, 99% time you are on the browser. So you can open any web page on the browser. Its IP address. So all of you know the IP address. Its IP address and internet protocol in IP address is the numerical. Its IP address is let's say 4 octet is there. It's a numerical label. It's a numerical identification, numerical label assigned to each devices. That is each computer or each printer or each server. So participating in the computer network in www, World Wide Web is a network of networks. That internet is a network of networks. In that network, every single device is recognized by a particular address. So this is the IP address, and that uses internet protocol for communications, and that address we use to communicate between one computer or one device to another device. And IP address serve two principal functions: host or network interface identifications or location addressing. So its host means on which computer your data is saved is identified by their IP address. And network interface means the entire network can be identified on a particular IP address. So you need not to go into that detail, but you understand this term. This term should not be entirely new to you. So domain name, all of you are getting that what we are talking about. Are you familiar? Like, are you getting these words? All of you are getting these words. So yes, Ritika, Sayyad, and Rohan is saying is nice. Thank you. So domain name, now domain name is your identifications on the virtual world. In the physical world, as every single business need a name, we go for the company registrations and private limited company registration or company incorporations process. In the same way, in the virtual world, on the internet world, your domain name is your identifications, and that defines the realm of administrative, like domain name. For example, google.com is a domain name, and flipkart.com is a domain name, gmail.com is a domain name, godaddy.com is a domain name, facebook.com, .com, .in, .co.in, .info, .cloth, .mobi, all these are the TLD, top level domain. So domain name is identifications. Domain names are formed by the rules and procedures by domain name system, DNS, and any name registered in the DNS is a domain name. Domain name can also be thought as a locations where the certain information activities are found. So domain name is the identity. Domain name is your identity. Web hosting is a computer where you are going to save all the data of your website or of your domain name. Web hosting service is a type of internet hosting service that allow individuals and organizations to make their website accessible via World Wide Web. Web hosting is a public computer where you are saving all the data, where you are saving all the informations. Web hosting is a computer where they are saving your website content and they are serving your website content when someone is requesting for that content. So web hosts are the company that provide spaces on their server. Again, server is a computer, but that server is managed by web host companies. And you may own the server, or they may give you the lease machines where you can use that machine the way you want. So providing internet connectivity. Typically, it's a data center. Web host can also provide you data center space connectivity to the internet for other servers located in their data centers, called co-locations. There are different kind of web hosting services, like you can have a shared hosting, or you can have a cloud hosting, or you can have a dedicated hosting, or you can have a co-located hosting. So according to your requirement, according to your website requirement, business requirement, you can opt for different web uh, hosting provider. So this is the server, this is the host. And web server. Web server is an information technology that processes requests via HTTP and the basic network protocols used to distribute information on the World Wide Web. The terms can be referred earlier to the entire computer system as applied specifically to the software that accept the supervise and again, web server is that particular computer is available in the public domain. If I'm requesting for, let's suppose I am requesting for uh, arovala.in. As I requested for this particular domain, arovala.in is domain. So .in is TLD. This is my domain name. As I requested .arovala.in, I will press enter. Then my browser will identify the IP address behind that Arovala name, and they will connect with that IP address, that where all the data is saved, and they will request for that file associated with arovala.in, and that server will provide all these informations. So once you have all these informations, you have received that information from the web server. You have received. So if you will save all these data on your local system, and when you will shut down your website, when you shut down your local computer, your website is not working, or your shop is down. So we always look for the web server which is always up and running, 99% uptime, and secures, and unlimited space, and giving you unlimited bandwidth. So we look for the very technologically up to date web server. And cookies, how many of you know about cookies? Have you heard about cookies? Yes, Saurabh has heard about cookies. Devesh has heard about cookies. Sarah has also heard about cookies. Cookies is a type of ads. So Ritika is saying it's type of ads. No, it's not type of activities. When it's a cookies means it's a software program or a small program which track your activities on a website. Means you what exactly you are doing on a particular web page, that the cookies can track, and they will send all these tracking informations to the server. So if I have visited this website, then how much time I have spent, what pages I have visited, from which locations I have visited, how like what actions I have taken on on this system. So every single thing they are able to track only if they have used the cookies. So cookies is nowadays is necessary evil. As we have discussed, one of the advantages of the digital marketing is that we can track all the user activities. But tracking of the user activities is possible only and only due to cookies. So sometimes that without user consent, we are not taking user consent, even website is tracking your activity on the website. So this is the matter of discussion, that whether it is good things to track user activity on my website or not. But this is a matter of debate. Uh, okay, Dipendra is asking to leave early. Okay, Dipendra, you can leave. You can see the recorded session, and it will hardly take 5 more minutes to complete. Yes, Sayyid is asking what is the difference between .in and .com. All these are, there is no particular difference. .in is the that country level geography, GTL, that is geographical top level domain, and .com is the commercial. So nowadays lot of top level domains are available. Top level domain like .in, .com, .info, .mobi, .me, there are so many top level domains are available. So Google treat all these top level domain equally except the geographical domain. If your domain is .in, Google will prefer .in website in India rather than preferring .uk website in India. So Google have little bit preferences of geographical domain in that particular geography. Otherwise, cookies means data storage. Cookies, Hari is asking cookies is data storage. Basically, it's not a data storage, but yes, in a way they track the information, collect the data, and send this data to the server. Means the whatever mechanism you are using for the tracking. Let's suppose you are using Google Analytics. So they will they will collect the data and send this data to the analytics server. And in analytics dashboard, you can see all the tracking information. So it's that why it is also termed as a cookie is the necessary evil. It's that it's if as a marketer we want to know a lot of information about our users, and if we want to know a lot of information about our users, then we have to use the cookies. So cookies is HTTP cookies, also termed as web cookies, internet cookies, browser cookies, or simply cookies, is a small piece of data sent from website and stored in the user web browser. And while the user is browsing, every time user load a website, the browser send a cookies back to the server. This cookies browser send cookies back to the server. So whatever data cookies is collecting, they are sending that information to the server and notifying the user previous activities. Cookies were designed to be a reliable mechanism for the website to remember stateful information such as items and all these. So cookies is, from marketing point of view, it's a good thing. VPN is a virtual private network. Expand private network in the public domain, such as internet. Suppose if you are working in a company, that entire company can be on the virtual private network. Redirection, when you are opening a one particular domain and they are going to another domain. It's an example of redirections. You are opening XYZ, but actually ABC is opening. This is one of the redirections. Even for example, if you are just opening flipkart.com, right? You are opening flipkart.com, but it will open https://www.flipkart.com. So this is also a kind of example of redirection. So domain level redirections or domain forwarding, URL level redirections, you can do redirections. Clogging is a kind of, means when you are showing different informations to your users and different informations to the Google. Let's suppose you have written a text in the blue color. Here you have written lot of text in the blue color. So user will not be able to see that text. So that means you are showing different informations to the users, to the web page users, and showing different information to the Google. Then this kind of tactics, it's a black hat tactics. It's not a good way to manage your website. This kind of activity is called clogging. It's called clogging. Web page is the web document suitable for World Wide Web page. So this is one of the web page. When we go to the another page, this is again a web page. So web page is the document suitable for internet, suitable for World Wide Web. It's a web page. Website is collection of similar web pages. Website, Flipkart, you can see mobile. When you are clicking on the mobile, this is one of the web page. But the collection of all these similar pages, all the related pages together is called website. So I hope I need not to explain that details about the website and web page. Blog is an information website where you are updating your informations or thought or discussions or diary on the regular basis. So blog is a discussions or information site published on the World Wide Web, consisting of different kind of entries or post date wise or in the chronological order. Means the latest one will appear on the top and the old one will appear on the on in the old one will appear in the last. Someone has asked some questions. Some clogging. Sayed is asking clogging. Clogging, Sayed, it means that if you have a page, you are showing different text, different images, different things to your users, and when Google crawler or Google program is coming, they are seeing different thing. Then that kind of misleading tactics is called clogging. So if you have written something in white color, you if let's suppose this text is in white color, in white background, so then you will not able to read that text, but any program will be able to read that text. So these kind of tactics is called clogging. And Deves is asking if some first is not from technical background, then how he should get kind of knowledge. There is any available resources. Deves is asking for. See, all these informations are frequent to use. These are not. You need not to work on these. You need not to be expert on these words. You have to be familiar with these words. No, nothing to worry if you are like you have to just understand this concept, but you need not to act on these words. So these are the words we frequently use in digital world. So yes, if you are willing, I will share you the resources of these informations. I will share the easy learning informations, and you can also go on the udemy.com. Just go to the udemy.com and learn all the basic things there. Udemy.com. Udemy.com. There you will see a lot of small courses which will help you to understand the basic things. So here you can go and learn basic HTML or basic CSS or basic JavaScript or basic blogging. So there you can go. Encryption, again come to that blog. You understand internet service provider is an organization which is providing you the facility to see and participate the information available on the internet. So it's internet service provider. Firewall is the process or network to monitor the data of incoming and outgoing from your networks. So it's a firewall. It's a, you can say that it's a security mechanism. If you want to protect something, that this website should not open here, so you can apply the firewall there. Encryption is the process of encoding. Encryption is process of encoding something. Means if data is transferring in, let's suppose I will start talking in the French, so you may not understand it. So some that is encoding, and some French translator can decode it. So it's not exact that analogy, but encryption is you are converting that text in such a way that that text should not be meaningful to anyone. When it's decrypted, then only we will understand the meaning of that text. So that is encryption, and SSL security use this encryption. So this is phishing. Phishing, when you are trying to mislead your end user. This is the backside. You can say that this is the disadvantage of digital marketing or digital media. When you are trying to get you may see a duplicate page similar to ICICI Bank. So what does it mean? Many innocent people will feel that it's ICICI website and they will try to log in. So they will provide their user ID and password, and you are trying to collect that user ID and password. So this kind of bad tactics is called phishing. Phishing is an attempt to acquire sensitive information such as username, password, or credit card details by malicious reasons, by misguiding users or giving them a duplicate interface where they are not able to differentiate whether this is the original website or duplicate website. So this is the example of phishing. So I hope you understand. Today's session is fair enough, or do you want to learn more today's? Hari is asking, some domain name cannot be purchased. Yes, some domain name cannot be purchased. If someone has already acquired that domain name, then you can't purchase it. If the domain name is on the auction, you have to buy it in the higher cost. If domain name is available, then only you can purchase it. So is today's session is fair enough, or would you like, can we bind up the session today, or would you like to continue? Hari is asking, then how can we find it fake? You can check the domain name. If you must know the domain name. If the domain name has a little bit of manipulations, even if small dot is there or small dash is there or small underscore is there, means it's a fake one. You make sure that domain name is what is the is that official, their domain name is official or not. So if it is ICICI Bank, then you must know the ICICI Bank. What is the domain name of ICICI Bank? So it's ICICI Bank. If you are seeing ICICI dash bank, it's fake. ICICI dot bank, fake. So you have to make sure that domain name should be correct. Okay, so next session we will start with the questions. Next session we will start with the questions. If you have any questions, just share your question on. You can share your question on my email ID. My email ID is bhawanabhaj99@gmail.com. Right, it's my email ID. You can connect with me on you can connect with me on WhatsApp 152505. It's if you have any questions, you can connect with me on WhatsApp, and if you have any questions, you can send me on my email ID. Right. Right. So next session we will start with a small test and a small question session, and then we will proceed to the next topic. Most probably we will start creating our website, on how to create a website. Right. So can we wind up the session for today? Yes, Saurabh is saying yes. Yeah, the session will be on every Saturday and Sunday at 6:30 to 9:30. Yes, Hari type 6:30 to 9:30. Nice. Thank you, Sarah. Thank you, Devesh. Thank you so much, Shivam. And thank you so much for all the wonderful questions and all the patience and all the participations. I'm looking forward to see you again next Saturday at 6:30. Okay, thank you, thank you. Saurabh is asking, can't it be 6? So, okay, we will try to have 6, but for now we have decided at 6:30. If possible, I will make it, and next session I will make it at the 6. Saurabh, I will try to make it at 6. I will make it, for the next session, just make it 6:30. From now, next onwards, I will try to make it 6. Okay, nice, thank you, bye, good night. Good night, Rohan. I'm going to end the session.